my mom's over. I said, you gotta get out now. Hey, stop the road. Let's go. Get that car off. Look at that sweet road. Hey, watch these wires, man. Get this way.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Swanton Police Department. At around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Norfolk Southern Intermodal Train 25Z derailed after striking an abandoned vehicle on the tracks near the crossing on Main Street. Authorities estimated that the train traveled at 60 miles per hour when it struck the abandoned vehicle, and shortly after striking the vehicle, a switch malfunctioned, which then caused the train to derail, with a total of 15 intermodal cars derailing, with reports of a propane tank being struck by the derailed cars, with reports of a propane tank being struck and releasing the flammable gas from the tank. Witnesses reported that the driver of the abandoned vehicle was intoxicated and attempted to flee the scene. At this time, it is currently unknown if the derailed cars contain hazardous materials. Residents in Swanton, Ohio within a 1 to 2 mile radius are to evacuate the area immediately, with residents within a 3 to 5 mile radius ordered to shelter in place. Make sure you have food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio when evacuating or sheltering in place. Do not enter the evacuation radius until authorities confirm the area to be safe. Stay tuned for more updates from television and radio stations on this situation.